Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to another Asian meal prep recipe video. Today I am experimenting with a super simple recipe that's probably gonna take you only 20 minutes. This is called the orange chicken fried rice with a little bit of a crunch and spiciness. So the last couple of days I've been sick, I've been staying at home, and I've been stocking up on oranges, and I feel like this is the best recipe at this period in time. So, you know what? Let's get started and get right into it. So, the first thing that we're gonna do is to prepare our orange sauce. So what we have right here is some oranges, and I've got some good quality orange marmalade. So orange marmalade, guys, try to get the best quality out there, and if you can, get something that doesn't have any artificial sugar added, okay? But we're only using about 3 tablespoons, so a little bit of it for taste is totally fine. I've also got some coconut aminos right here. Coconut aminos. Of course, I'm using some chili paste. I mean, what is Asian food without the spice, right? Okay, and I've got some potato starch. So I kind of like the sauce thick, and that's what we're after in this recipe. So you know what? Let's mix it up, okay? So I'm gonna start off with getting the oranges into the bowl. So let's just squeeze them up all into this. Oh, gotta love mess. I think if you're in the kitchen and you're not making a mess out of things, I don't know what to say. I mean, I love mess, so just gotta squeeze them oranges up. There you go. All right, and then the next thing we're gonna add in is the orange marmalade, okay? So I'm just gonna pop this into the cup right here. And we're gonna stir it up, okay? So let's stir the orange juice and the orange marmalade in this. Stir it up. Awesome. I'm gonna add in some chili paste into this. So I've got 1 tablespoon of chili paste right there. And last bit, some coconut aminos, okay? So let's get the coconut amino in. All right, and just mix it up. Oh, look at that. So it does come out as a little bit of a thickness, okay? If you're using just low sodium soy sauce, it won't be this thick, but this is what we're after. So I'm gonna give it a taste. That's perfect. Super tangy. All right, and we're gonna add in a tablespoon of potato starch, okay? So right in there, and we're gonna mix it up. All right, so next thing we're gonna do is I'm gonna start frying the chicken, okay? So we're gonna just set the skillet on high. There you go, and spray some olive oil onto the skillet. So as soon as the pan is hot, we're gonna toss in the chicken breast right into the pan. So I want to try to get a little bit of like a golden on the outside on the chicken. So I'm not actually going to touch it for a while, okay? So just kind of get the chicken to brown a little bit, okay? I do want to set the heat to about medium though, okay? So let's set that up to medium and let it sit right there. All right, so once that's done, okay, we're gonna spread it out and toss it around. Look at that. Awesome, so look at that, guys, okay? So it's like golden brown on the outside. Alrighty, so once it's golden brown on the outside and the chicken is cooked, I'm gonna just set it aside. Just right here. There you go. And using the same skillet on a medium heat, I'm gonna pour in the extra virgin olive oil, onion, and garlic. So right into the pan. Awesome. And just let it cook. Ooh, that smell, it's amazing. So just gonna let the smell go up, and then we're gonna add in the veggies, okay? All right, so we're gonna turn the heat to high and add in the snow peas and the capsicum, okay? So start with the capsicum and the snow peas and also the carrot. There you go, and just toss it right together. All right, and then we're gonna add the mushroom into the mix, and we're just gonna fold it all together. Yums! That's amazing, guys. All right, so just keep tossing it. All right, and finally we're gonna add the rice followed by the chicken, okay? So dropping the rice in. There you go. So I've got some basmati rice in the mix, and I'm just gonna chop the rice up. All right, fold the rice in, and we're gonna add the chicken in a bit, okay? So just make sure you stir the rice up. All right, and we are gonna add in the chicken. So in goes the chicken again. Toss it in. And really quickly, guys, okay, we're just gonna fold it in together. All right, and finally, very quickly, okay, so we're just gonna separate, all right, and leave some room on the side for the sauce, okay, and we're gonna pour in the sauce, all right? So in goes the sauce. So this, we kind of need to do it quickly, guys, okay? So once the sauce is in, we're gonna start to mix the rice up. And we gotta do this fairly quickly, okay? This looks like it's a success, isn't it? But we're gonna try it in a bit, okay? So mix it up. Mix the whole thing up. Woo! There you go. Awesome. All right. We can remove it from heat and start to build our meals. All right. It's time to build our meals, guys. Okay, so I have my containers right here, and I've made 3 meals out of this, okay? So we're just gonna pop it into each container. Ooh, there you go. That's one. That's the second one. And a third one. And we're just gonna repeat for all of it. Woo! There you go! And that's 3 meals. We got a taste test. Alrighty, so let's give it a taste. I'm just gonna try this, okay? This is amazing. I think the sauce really adds to the thickness, and you know what? It's the crunchiness from the carrots and the snow peas and the capsicum really helps out here. I think it's amazing. I think you guys will love this, okay? Give it a try. This should be in one of your recipes for your weekly meal prep. I think it's a success. Give this one a go. So there you have it, guys. That's 3 meals that you can add in into your weekly meal prep. I hope you enjoy that. Give it a try. Tell me all about it. Hit the like button if you actually like this video. And of course, please do subscribe to my channel. Totally will appreciate it. And you know what? Stay healthy, stay safe. And here's to more cheap, fast, and nutritious Asian meals. Take care, guys. I'll see you guys next week.